Okay, in this video, we shall be looking at how to freeze WhatsApp photos and videos not showing in your gallery. But before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, just open your settings, and once you open your settings, scroll to apps. Once you scroll to where you can see apps, now search for your WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, you can see photos over here. Click on photos and turn on full access. Now the second thing you need to do is to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So open your app store and then update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Once you have updated your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp, and once you open your WhatsApp, click on settings. Now you can see over here chat. Click on chat and you can see save to photos. Now turn on this toggle over here, and once you are done, just go back, and once you go back, you can see storage and data. Click on storage and data, and you can see over here media auto download. Click on photos and you need to make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular, and you click on videos and then turn on same Wi-Fi and cellular, and that's all. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.